Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna recommend you guys this Sequin Notebook. This Sequin Notebook is made of quality paper and fully enclosed with the shining sequins. The sequins can be flipped. Just slide your fingers over the sequins lightly. The tone of the sequins will be changed and your different imprinted image will show up. It comes into two different colors. This one is red and white and this one is gold and white. And of course, it can be personalized. You can print your memorable moment on it to make it be special. And today, we're gonna use a new machine to print it. It's this hobby heat press machine. This hobby heat press machine is super simple for use, so it's very friendly to start a home-based business, such as print a t-shirt, a bag, even ceramics, and many more. Now let's print it. First, set temperature to 180 centigrade and time to 19 seconds. Then just stick the picture on the space you want to print. Please remember to use sublimation paper to print it. And after machine preheat, put it on the area you need to print is okay. Nice done, good transfer. And I think that's a very good personalized gift for your friends and family on birthday or Christmas. And also don't forget our hobby heat press machine. If you want to know more detailed information about the Sequin Notebook and the machine, you can go our official website to have a see. And also please don't forget subscribe us, cause now it's Christmas stock season. So next video I'm gonna introduce for the aluminum Christmas ornaments. Please look forward to it and see you next time.